Hello students, today's topic is sample survey. That means we are examining only the sample, or we can say sampling. As you know, sample survey means only examining the sample, not the whole population. Okay. When we examine all the population and drawing conclusion about the population, it is called complete enumeration. But when we examine only a sample which is taken from the population and drawing conclusion about the whole population, then it is called sample survey. So before going in detail, let's know what is parameter and statistic. S is not there, huh? Parameter means any constant of the population. Suppose we have a population figure, from there we find mean, median, mode or something else, suppose measure of dispersion, then all are called constant of population and are called parameter. And statistic means sample constant. If we find the mean of the sample, variance of the sample, skewness, kurtosis of the sample, then those constant are called statistic. Okay. So generally statistic is denoted by T and parameters are denoted by theta. So E of T is equal to theta. That means if you take the mean of the sample statistic, then we will get the population parameter theta. So if this relationship holds, it means T is an unbiased estimator of theta. What is theta? Theta is parameter and T is statistics. So if this relationship hold, as you know, E, what means E? That means the mean. Okay, mean of T, we get different T values because we get different sample. Okay, for different samples, sample 1, suppose we are taking a sample of 10 from population 100, so we can get different sample, na? All possible samples, so we will get different mean also. Okay, so these are called statistics. So 2, 3, so these are called statistic. So if we take the mean of this, that means E of T, so let's suppose we are taking in place of T, T is statistics, so let's take the mean of this, that means sample mean. Okay, sample mean is denoted in this way. So it is equal to population mean, suppose we are using capital letter, population mean. Okay, so if this holds, that means E of this, mean of this is equal to population mean, that means this is an unbiased estimator of this, that means population mean. So small x is an unbiased estimator of population mean, capital X bar. We use mu in sample survey for population mean. Okay, for population mean we use mu, and for some sample mean we use small x bar. Okay, so hope you get the idea of parameter and statistic. Now let's come to the second topic, which is principle of principles of sampling. What are the different principles, or what on what principles sampling is based? So the basic, these are the basic principle, you can say basic principle of sampling. Okay, the sampling theory is based on 3 principles, which are: number 1 is principle, or we can say law, law of statistical regularity, and the second one is principle of, or we can say law of validity, and the third one is principle of optimization. Okay, so these are the basic three principles on which sampling is based or sample survey is based. So the first principle is principle of statistical regularity. The law of statistical regularity lays down that a group of objects chosen at random from a large group, that is population, tend to possess the characteristic of that large group. Okay, that means the sample should be, or the part a fraction of unit is so selected from the large group, that is population, that it should possess all the characteristic of the population. That means whatever the characteristic are there in population, suppose this is our population, suppose here different elements are there. Okay, different elements are there. So here also in sample also we get all the characteristic. Okay, different elements are there, different this means heterogeneous populations are there. Okay, plus dot, flower, okay, like this, 0, this, so all should be here also. Okay, so that means this should possess all the characteristic of this large group, that is population. This small group should possess the characteristic of the large group. Okay, so it is principle of statistical regularity will maintain. Okay, now the second one is principle of validity. That means the sample should be so selected that it can be used for the purpose of obtaining valid estimates and test about the parameter, because main purpose of sampling is to know about the parameter of the population. So the sample should be so selected that it should give a valid estimation about the population. Okay, so that is called principle of validity. That means it provides a valid estimate about the population parameter. Now let's come to the third one, which is principle of optimization. The word optimization means extreme case, either maximization or minimization. Okay, optimization doesn't mean maximum, it means both, any extreme condition. That means it may be maximum, maximization or minimization. This principle based on developing method of sample selection and the estimation, which aims at obtaining a desired level of efficiency at minimum cost and obtaining maximum possible efficiency with given level of cost. Means if you are provided with means you have to find a desired level of efficiency with minimum cost, because sample survey need money. So if you have fixed money, so with that fixed money we try to get a desired level of estimation. Okay, and obtaining maximum possible efficiency with level of given level of cost. Okay, so that means one thing is fixed and other we bring it to the maximum position or minimum position. So one is fixed, other we have to take to the extreme condition. So these are the basic principle of sample survey. Principle of statistical regularity, that means the sample should be selected from the population, possess all the characteristic of the population. And principle of validity means should get valid estimation. That means sample should be so selected that we get a valid estimation about the population, because our main purpose of sample survey is to estimate population parameter, okay, with the help of the statistic which comes from the sample. And principle of optimization means this principle based on developing method of sample selection, okay, and of estimation which aims at obtaining a desired level of efficiency at minimum cost, okay, and obtaining maximum possible efficiency with given level of cost. So, okay, hope these things are clear. Thank you.